Hello and welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can log into Amazon Prime Video with another account. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. Now if you want to log into another account, you don't have separate option to switch your Amazon account. So to log into another account, you need to sign out. So for doing that, tap on your profile and there you will be able to see sign out option. Tap on that sign out option. Now once you get logged out of your account, tap on sign in button at the top right and there type in email address or phone number of your new account and the password of that account. Now once you're done with filling your account details, tap on sign in button. Now there you can see you have logged into another account. Now this is the only way to get logged into another account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.